thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to be doing a super satisfying and motivating pantry and refrigerator restock. I got over $200 worth of groceries for the week, plus lunches for me to meal prep and lunches for the boys for school. So instead of going through all of the things in the grocery haul, you will see that as I am organizing everything. I will also be decluttering anything that I don't need in the refrigerator and the pantry to get everything in there like it needs to be. So this will be a little bit more upbeat. It's gonna be super satisfying. I love watching pantry restocks on TikTok, so I figured why not do something a little bit similar over here. I think you guys are gonna really love it. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we go any further. I post videos every single week, and I'm so excited to be doing this today. So let's go ahead and get started.
So I'm going to start off with unloading all of the groceries. Can we just say thank goodness for Shipt and Target delivery and Walmart delivery. So worth it, especially in this season of life where I'm really not able to get out that much with Emma. She still doesn't love the car and being out too much. So having groceries delivered is just an added little benefit right now. So I was able to knock this out, and here is the mess in the refrigerator. If you remember in one of my videos not too long ago, which I will link right above, I did an extreme pantry and refrigerator organization video, and we really cleaned this out. But with such a large family, it doesn't stay like that very long. So here is what everything looks like, looking a mess, looking all types of ways, but this is just reality. My pantry, I definitely plan on actually building something in here. I have been really having the itch to build, so I'm going to teach myself how to do it. I'm also going to do board and batten in the house. I'm going to be one of those girls that builds all these things. So I'm really excited, but this is what it looks like now, just a basic pantry, and we are going to start organizing everything. The containers I purchased from either Target or Amazon or Home Goods. So if you guys want to know where something's from, I probably had it mentioned in my other video. Again, that was linked, but you can get them anywhere. Boys did start school, so it was really essential that we took care of this. I wanted to have plenty of food stocked up for them, and I also wanted to have food for myself to meal prep because I'm trying to eat a lot cleaner and not have the ease of just going to get something or having Uber deliver food. That is one of my greatest things that I'm trying to work on. We spend way too much money eating out. It's not good for you, and gosh, it is so expensive. So I wanted to take care of this. So A, I knew what I needed for my kids, and B, to get meals prepped for myself and Chris. I purchased a little cabinet. I'm going to make a little coffee bar on the other side of my fridge, but for now I'm going to put all of the coffee in this acrylic container. These containers I got from TJ Maxx, and they still have them. So I love drinking the Slim drink from Plexus. It helps like get your hormones back in order and just helps you with your gut, and it's so good. So good. And I like to mix it with coconut creamer or coconut water, and then the cran grape, actually I think it's Ocean Spray cran strawberry drink. I love it so much. It tastes like Starbucks. It's kind of tangy. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I am using this veggie cleaner, and I'm going to fill up the sink with some warm water, and I'm going to wash some of the kale. You really want to wash leafy greens and also these little peppers here. So now I'm going to start organizing everything back in the fridge and put things where they go. I have still been loving these little squirt bottles. Some of you guys mentioned I should probably label them. Well, the reason why I do not is because we know what's in there, A and B. If for any reason I want to use this squirt bottle for something else, once I run out of whatever's in there, I want to have that versatility to be able to do that. So that's why I didn't label it. I'm just wiping down all of the fridge little shelves and the surrounding areas because it gets really nasty. And then we're going to start putting things back in here. So I have let the veggies soak for a little while, wash them all up, and I'm going to start preparing these. I love washing my veggies. I don't know why it's so satisfying to me. I don't know. Maybe that's probably weird, but I'm going to get this all prepped because I'm going to show you a super easy recipe. I have shown this on my videos or on my channel so many times, honestly. It's zuppa toscana, and I know so many people make it. I make mine a little different. I don't add cream, and I like to do organic or all-natural sausage and organic kale, just because kale, that's one of like on the dirty list. You really want to try to use organic leafy greens. But super easy. It is gluten-free, it is dairy-free, and it is so full of flavor. You will see how I make it. And it sits in the refrigerator and it gets better every day it sits. Oh my gosh. So I wanted to do this and prep this, so I had a little quick lunch. So here is a quick little refrigerator tour for you. Everything is in here. It's organized. It's functional. Most important, it's functional and it looks good. So this makes me happy.
see, but you don't want to talk to me, no. And not through words, not through songs, not through whispers, not through phones. When I look at you, I know that.
Pantry, same thing. It's functional. It makes me happy. Things are organized. It's not exactly, you know, how I would want it, or maybe you would say Instagram worthy or Pinterest perfect, but it's functional, and that is what we have to hold on to. Don't try to compare what someone else has to what you have. If it works for you, then it is perfection. So the sausage was browning, and I'm going to cut 5 golden potatoes. Once the sausage is all done, I am going to put the potatoes in and add a whole carton of chicken stock. You can season it with salt and pepper. I don't use a lot of salt. Italian herb seasoning. I like it when you can find the Italian herb with a little fennel in it. I haven't been able to find it in so long. I love the flavor of fennel, but this is so good. Stir it up and you let it boil. Once the potatoes are soft and tender, you add, I would say, 2 handfuls of kale, or however much you want. I didn't go too crazy just because I am nursing and I wasn't sure if it would upset the baby's tummy. But you add it on there and you let it cook, and here it is all done, and this soup is delicious. I'm now going to cut up my peppers here. I'm planning on doing a chicken fajita lunch, so I'm going to meal prep this. Then in a saucepan on medium heat, I'm going to add some olive oil, and I'm going to add this crushed garlic. I get this from Target, and you just pop the frozen pieces of garlic out. I feel like this is genius. And then I warm it up and get it soft, making sure not to burn the garlic. And then I will add some chicken flavor seasoning. This not no MSG, and I'm going to sprinkle it in here for some flavor. Then I'm going to make about 2 cups of rice, and I like to toast my rice just a little bit. It just gives it a really good nutty flavor. It's so good. Once that's all done, I will add about 4 cups of chicken broth. I don't measure things, I just do it by eye. I don't know, that's just how I do things. And then once it's boiling, I will bring the heat down to simmer and let the rice cook. This Blackstone grill. I love this thing. You usually use vegetable oil, but I didn't have any, so I'm using olive oil, and I'm going to sear all of this chicken. I love this because it's such a large space to cook, and you guys, you can do chicken, you can do literally breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We did pancakes on this thing with pancakes on one side, sausage in the middle, and bacon on the other side, and it was to die for. Literally so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sauteing the veggies now. And this is gonna be so good, it already smells incredible. Got these containers from Home Goods. They're everywhere. They're also on Amazon. And I'm going to start loading up these containers so we all have meal. Next time, I think I would only do 6. I went ahead and did 9, but I was kind of pushing it a little too far. So I'm filling it up with rice. I will add my peppers and then my chicken, and we are all set for the week, and that is going to save us so much money. I hope you guys enjoy this. I know I've talked about meal prepping in the past, and I have not done it because I wasn't sure how it would do, but you know what? I want to be able to encourage you guys and motivate you guys. Homemaker, mommy, whatever season you're in, I hope that I can encourage you and inspire you, and most of all, hope you know that you are doing an amazing job and you are so loved and you are so worthy. So when you come to my channel, I hope that you walk away feeling good about yourself and feeling motivated to do all the things to live your absolute best life, because you are so blessed and you're exactly where you're supposed to be. I am so thankful for each and every one of you. I took a little bit of a break because I needed to for my mental health, to be honest with you, and it's still something I'm keeping my eye on. You know, I struggle with postpartum depression and anxiety with my other kids, and it is definitely back, but I'm showing up and it feels really good. I'm glad I got these meal prep. I'm glad I'm going to be feeding my body with healthy foods, and I am just so glad to be here with you guys today. Thank you for your love, for you guys who have reached out, for your patience with me. I am going to be back every single week, so thank you, and I love you, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.